We spend a lot of time on security of data, on making sure it doesn't escape, making sure people can't see it, and so on. Increasingly, though, whether from freedom of information reasons or subject access requests or whatever, there's a need to show people data, or there might be a wish, never mind a need, a wish on the part of the company to show that it's transparent about something. How do you manage that?
Well, it's interesting. You talk about all the development work that goes into securing the data. We want fingerprint. We want it to work behind the VPN. We've had clients do retinal scans and RSA key fobs, all different ways to secure the data. Clearly within our application, there's a lot of encryption that happens. Everything is logged, so there's a lot of governance in and around who touched each aspect of the data, what they did with it, and all that logging is available for administrators. However, to your point, we have a couple of clients who have come to us and said, can we turn all of that off? Because based on a judgment we just got, we have to make X number of documents available to the public through Freedom of Information Act, for example, FOIA requests. And so we've got a way to do that. Actually, we worked with a number of organizations to be able to create a way where they can have 20, 50 user accounts that are generic user accounts so people can come in and access the data. And when you say access, it's the client or really can decide how far can they get in. Can they come in and search? Can they come in and navigate? Can they come in and print? And we have ways to, because of the way we've managed security within the application, we have the ability to turn off multiple little triggers and levers to make sure that as people are coming in a public way, they can only do what we will allow them to do. And if they're coming in privately, of course, in the same fashion, we can lock all the way down to the individual record level based on metadata. And as an example of that, on the police services side, when video comes in, if the video contains video of a minor, they can actually flag a metadata field to say it contains information about a minor. We've written code so that now, based on the metadata field, we can restrict security on that record until such time as a redaction has been placed in there, and now the officers can go in and look at the video. Until that time, when that flag is on, they can't. When the flag comes off, they can.
So differing levels of security within a single run of video?
Within a single run of video based on metadata for that video. So it's a perfect example of iCONECT looking outside the bounds of eDiscovery, certainly legal eDiscovery, developing a feature, in that case, for video and multimedia use, but being able to take that same code, roll it back over into eDiscovery, and make it available for eDiscovery Legal.